right? Yeah, he was in town just a couple of weeks ago at the Tabernacle. Trinidad and Tobago is out in force, y'all. Whenever Kess and the band roll through, you know, it's going to be a Trini fest. Yeah. And the ladies are out.
I missed that. I shouldn't have missed that.
Yeah, listen. Shame on us.
I know.
Shame on us. I wasn't there either.
The Tabernacle, man.
I don't even know what I was, but, you know, shame on me.
Yeah.
Shame on me.
Yeah.
But big up to everybody who made it out to the Kess show. You know, Kess doing it majorly.
No, yeah.
Tabernacle ain't the regular little.
No.
Tabernacle in Atlanta is like, that's like them big stars.
You go there, you show off.
Yeah, man. Brand new music from the man Kess. This one is a banger.
Come, wine, give me banga, 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 banga. Baby girl, I love how you thunder. Me and you alone, I go banga. So come, wine, give me thunder. Hey, yo, I miss you from the time you went away. Baby, I love never felt this type of way. Hey, yo, when you give me that wine, it's about the way you got, know your fire, baby. When you talk about divine, yeah, only you got the thing I desire, baby. But look how you love it, come back again. Make me feel some type of way. Sending a message straight to my brain. Sing like we did Bamba there. And anytime you come around, I'll be the one to give you love. You know I must come back. All I want you say, come, wine, give me banga. Baby girl, I love how you thunder.